In this video, I'll show you how to convert MKV to MP4 fast without losing quality. Here is a .mkv file. To convert MKV to MP4, we'll be using OBS. This software is completely free. You can download it by going to Google, typing OBS, downloading it from obsproject.com. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, open the program, then click on File and select Remarks Recordings. Now select the MKV file, click on Open, give it a name. Now click on Remarks. And it's done. This is the MP4 file and this was the MKV file.